Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Uthando Nesthembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers.
Bazalwane. Mangwabe is my person. Ngiyamhlisa uMakhumalo esitulweni, ngithatha ngihamba noMangwabe. Ake la itse Makhumalo was my striker. Makhumalo ne ke morata fu, kore ke morata mara ka tsene gona Mangwabe o tseya cup. Mangwabe ke number 1. Mangwabe is Mangwabe ring. Okay, fine. Babizi meeting akesho ukuthi sine come let's talk. Vele umsele ku angamtshela usine ukuthi sine ngikubizelani because wamithi hore snake nonyani tsepedi. Okay? So excuse me. So sine njengoba ele nonyani tsepedi. Utone actor kamkhomu ngasiri dilo direge. Okay, sharp. Angena usine mangena atshela ukuthi phela khona abazayo abawungaka. 3 sizokhuluma le ndaba yakho. Hayi bathi bayiqale usine wanted to deny the role issue. Guys, we remember the role issue because we thought ukuthi our comment kahle was that a wholeness wama epilates, a wholeness or qualified angakhala khalele i-role eli-1 maybe elenza i-role malini. Okay, maybe like let's say 5 rand at the most. I'm not sure how much is 1 role, but usne akere namo paintile hi usine hey we ubafuna ukuba emotional baba khwa stop athi ngicela ukuthi whatever happens wenza muni helni muni all right ha asukumugela athi uyangala hayi Mangwabe amolata Mangwabe and umbona umolata ka enga ela ya gore if you were able to say it on national TV or like on national platforms on podcasts knowing ukuthi you are very well known, you could say it to our faces. Mlandu gele athi uzungibeka isandla sokusho usine athi briga angisu Jackie Chan mina akiri lo uzawubethana ke fafa ke fly ke nyoko ubutsa. You were able to teach it. Nayike into engimangazile usine wazi lo complaina ngerole but uhlulekile ukusho ukuthi uma Mangwabe wamthengile plastic le grocer. It did not matter ukuthi leyo grocer yi 500 200 300, it does not matter. Umnqintshe irole le 5 rand but uye wakwazi ukumthengela iplastic yonke egqwele igrocer. Bamkhipha manga to her face. Girl could not stand because this was an opportunity for her to say, yes, you did it on this day and this day and this day and this day. Gore pila ba mmotse gore wena problem ya go gore ha o twa monono go pleke nyengwe o tsa maonyela didiba and sediba se nyewele sesi because o tlonya go tla o tlo nwa metsi go sona ke Setswana so bazalwana ngithukane. Yo Mangwabe, like I stand with Mangwabe ke amorata. Mangwabe told her to her face like girl walked away now seka ya khala nang seka emotionally usine seka yenye into esingayi understand ka for ing sine for ing awa sine ustotu ara mkhaleng sine bethiweng o rata ore ngpiwe asimbamba asimshise. No, when an opportunity, like if people hurt you guys and a platform is presented for you to debrief, you debrief and you tell her. And at this point, I think she had power because she could have reminded them on this date and this date and this date and this date when you did 1 2 3 4 5. Ah, girl stands there. She did it for what? For V. Mbona ke Team Mangwabe. Team Mangwabe all day, every day. Thank you. Bye.